Hey guys, today we're going to do a lesson on living and non-living. So later when you're doing your lap book, you're going to be sorting living things that are found in the savanna. So before we do that, let's learn the difference between living things and non-living things. So living things are things that need to be able to grow, move, and change. So to be able to grow, move, and change. So the non-living thing is the opposite of that. So those are things that don't need to grow, move, or change the way that living things do. So all living things need certain things to survive. So things that they're going to need air that they get from outside. So they need air, they need water, they need food, how many of you like broccoli? No, me neither. And they need shelter, so they need a home, they need a place to stay. So whether it's a home like that or it's a home like this. That's a home for many things. So those are the things that living things need to survive. They need food, water, air to breathe, and a place to live. They need a home, they need shelter. So the things that are living are going to be plants and animals, including people. So each of those items are going to need these four things. So if you're looking at a plant, they need air to breathe, they need water, they need food, and they need a place to live. So their food they get from the sun through photosynthesis. So they need it as well. And people and animals need all those things too. So we live in a house more like this, but you might have birds or squirrels or raccoons that need a home like that. Okay, so these are the things that living things need to survive. Our living things are the things that grow, move, and change. So now let's see if we can, before we go into living things, what about non-living things? So it's going to be the opposite of living, but take wind. Wind moves, but it doesn't grow and change the way that animals and plants do. So other non-living things are going to be things like rocks, chairs, bricks, books, things like that. So let's come into our living things and see the two main categories that we have for living things. We're going to have our plants and we're going to have our animals. So if we're looking at the things that are in the savanna, we might have a lion, we might have a lion as a living thing. In the savanna, and we might have what might be a plant that we have in there. Right, we've seen those big trees. Those big trees that kind of go off like this. All right, so the two types of living things that we have is we're going to see plants and we're going to see animals. So when you go into your lap book today, you're actually going to take those living things, you're going to take and you're going to sort them from plants and animals. And there are lots of other ways to sort, so I'm excited to see how you guys sort them.